Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The BOSCH Tile Drill Bit Set is probably one of the most essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional contractor tackling tile projects, promising clean, precise holes every time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, having the right bit set ensures a smooth, efficient process, minimizing the risk of cracked tiles and maximizing your project's success. This video will guide you through the selection process, highlighting key features and considerations to help you choose the perfect set for your needs. Number 5. TITGGI Masonry Drill Bit Set. This masonry drill bit set is built to last. Its industrial-strength carbide tip provides excellent abrasion resistance for easier drilling. These bits are compatible with most drills and feature a unique design for fast dust removal. The 3-flat shank ensures a secure grip. The set includes 10 different sizes, ranging from 1/8 to 1/2. You'll have the right bit for any job. They're perfect for a variety of materials, including tile, concrete, brick, glass, and more. Remember to use water for cooling. These drill bits are made by TITGGI, a trusted brand known for quality tools. If you're not satisfied, we offer premium customer service. What we like. It boasts industrial-strength carbide tips for effortless drilling through tough materials. Its unique design ensures fast penetration, saving you valuable time. With 10 different sizes included, you'll be prepared for any project. If you need a versatile set for various materials and sizes, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked perfectly on ceramic plate pieces. Clean, smooth cuts and no breakage. The professional masonry drill bit set is an absolute powerhouse in my toolbox. Using these bits is like drilling through soft wood, effortless and smooth. They make tackling masonry work a breeze, cutting through concrete and brick with precision and ease. Easy to use and drill straight through glass without cracking or chipping. Exactly what I needed. Number 4. 3 Otters 15 PCS Diamond Hole Saw Kit. This comprehensive kit contains 15 different size diamond hole saws, perfect for a wide range of applications. It's designed to make precise cuts with ease. With sizes ranging from 6mm to 50mm, this set has you covered for virtually any project. You'll always have the right tool for the job. The diamond tips ensure smooth, precise cuts every time. This means less effort and a professional finish. It's not just for glass, it works on tile, ceramic, marble, and more. It's compatible with most electric drills for convenience. Side slots allow for easy water cooling and debris removal. A small screwdriver is even included to help clear any blockages. From glass and tile to granite and porcelain, it handles a variety of materials with ease. It's the ultimate hole-cutting solution. What we like. This kit offers an impressive 15 different sizes to tackle any hole-cutting task. The premium diamond tips ensure smooth, precise cuts every time. Its versatility makes it perfect for various materials. If you need a wide range of sizes and precision cutting, this is your best bet. What people say. It worked. No breaks. Cut right through subway tile. After struggling to install shower hardware on porcelain tile, these work amazingly well. No more 30-minute drill time on porcelain or burning up bits. Porcelain tile with a PEI 5 rating took less than 20 seconds to drill through. It takes longer to remove the tile plug from the bit than it does to drill the hole. Number 3. BOSCH GT 2000 Glass Drill Bit Set. This is the BOSCH GT 2000, a 4-piece carbide tipped glass and tile drill bit set. It's designed for precision and reliability in various applications. Its unique design ensures precision drilling, eliminating wandering or walking. You'll get clean, accurate holes every time. These bits boast high-quality carbide tips and reinforced heads. This reduces stress, prevents cracking, and extends their lifespan. From creating relief holes in glass to installing bathroom fixtures and setting screws in tile, it handles a wide range of tasks. It's perfect for various DIY and professional projects. The 3-flat shank design provides superior grip, preventing slippage, especially on larger bits. You'll experience best-in-class speed and efficiency. The innovative geometry allows for faster drilling. Each bit is clearly labeled for easy selection, ensuring you always choose the right size for the job. The set includes 4 commonly used sizes, 1 8 inches, 3 16 inches, 1 4 inches, and 5 16 inches. Everything you need for most glass and tile drilling projects. Remember to use these bits in rotary mode for optimal performance and to prevent damage. Always follow safety guidelines. What we like. It features a precision tip to prevent wandering, ensuring accurate drilling. The high-quality carbide tip is built to last, reducing stress and cracking. Its versatility makes it suitable for various glass and tile applications. If you value precision, durability, and a reliable tool, this is the ideal choice. What people say. They work like a warm knife slicing butter, smooth and quick work. Easily went through the ceramic pots without any cracking of the planter. No sign of wear on the bit itself, so I should be able to use on many other projects. They worked great, very smooth holes with no cracking or flaking. And, as advertised, they did not walk across the tile like my old bit. Number 2. Masonry Drill Bit Set. This set is perfect for various materials. Its high-quality construction ensures a long lifespan and precise drilling. It's made of premium carbide, treated to prevent rust. The reinforced head resists cracking for extended use. The unique cross-angle design minimizes slippage. You'll get incredibly neat and fast results. The 1/4-inch hex shank is compatible with most power tools. It fits securely and changes quickly. Use it on glass, ceramic, tile, and more. Remember to keep it vertical and cool for optimal performance. The set includes 10 durable bits in various sizes to handle a variety of jobs. You'll be prepared for any project. What we like. Made with premium carbide, it offers superior durability and a longer lifespan. The precise design minimizes slippage and ensures clean cuts. The hex shank allows for quick changes between tools. If you prioritize accuracy, durability, and efficient tool changes, this is the perfect option. What people say. These not only put quick holes into the concrete, they lasted through a renovation where I turned a cinder block storage room into an office. This product was able to drill through the tiles compared to other products I bought. Drilled right into my wall tiles to mount a mirror cabinet with no issue. Made the holes perfectly with no damage to the drill bits. Number 1. Dry Diamond Drill Bit Set. This versatile set makes drilling through tough materials a breeze. It's perfect for various DIY and professional projects. With 5 different sizes, you'll always have the right bit for the task. It includes 1 4, 5 16, 3 8, and 1 2 drill bits. The diamond coating ensures clean, precise holes in hard materials like tile, porcelain, and granite. It's designed for speed and efficiency. These bits are designed for dry drilling, with a built-in wax lubricant that melts to keep things cool. Water can be added for even longer life. The included storage case keeps everything organized, and the round shank and side flutes ensure smooth, fast drilling. Depth marks help with precision. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us for excellent customer service. Enjoy your new drill bits. What we like. These bits feature dry diamond tips for fast and smooth drilling in hard materials. The unique design ensures efficient debris removal and clean holes. The convenient storage case keeps everything organized. If you need a durable, efficient set for hard materials and appreciate convenience, this is for you. What people say. Worked very well in ceramic tile. Drilled 4 holes with 1 bit and the bit is still good. I have used 3 OS the bit so far. If you start the hole like the instructions say, it works great. Does it make a clean, perfect hole? No, it doesn't. But most people are using them to drill holes in tile to hang a shelf up. Which I did, and it works great. The specs for my reverse osmosis water countertop faucet called for a 12.5 mm, 0.492 or 12 inch, hole through my 1 to 1/4 inch granite countertop. I ordered this set, which consists of 2 1 4, 1 5 16, 1 3 8 and 1 1 2 bit and a plastic storage case. I wet drilled my countertop with the 1 2 bit and was surprised that I could not fit the faucet in the hole. I ended up using the 1/2 bit as a reamer of sorts and, with some additional time and effort, managed to widen it enough for the faucet to fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.